Hey guys, today we're breaking down the HoneyBook pricing plans and whether it's really worth the monthly subscription for freelancers and small business owners. HoneyBook is an all-in-one client flow platform that helps you book clients, send proposals, contracts, invoices, and even automate follow-ups all from one clean dashboard. HoneyBook offers two main plans. They have starter plan, which is $29 per month, billed yearly with 2 months free. It is best for solo users. You get unlimited clients and projects, basic templates, and invoicing tools. And the other one would be Essentials Plan, which is $49 per month, billed yearly, still with 2 months free. This adds scheduler tools, automation, QuickBooks integration, and a branded client portal. There's also a premium plan at $109 per month, billed yearly for teams with advanced reports and more users. If you handle client bookings, contracts, payments, or any kind of project-based work, HoneyBook can save you hours per week, and unlike using multiple tools, everything's streamlined here. They offer a 7-day free trial, no credit card reward. So is HoneyBook worth the monthly cost? If you want to look more professional, stay organized, and close deals faster, the answer is yes.